Hi Bay drivers, David Foster, Senior Safety Manager here, along with Pat McKinley, one of our drivers of over 25 years. Today Pat's going to assist me in reviewing some simple things that you should know how to do as a driver. And today's topic is going to be trailer tandem sliding. We're going to show you how it's done, how to do it correctly, and exactly where you should have those pins and where the markings are on the trailer, so that you're not only legal weight but also legal bridge law in every state. So with that being said, Pat, you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go.